The Activities module allows you to add communication and listing activity notes to any record and then set calendar reminders. The activities can then be viewed on the record or in the calendar where you can see them per day, week, and month. In your dashboard, you can see all of the activities that you have set for the coming 14 days. You can also add new activities to any record from here. Activities can be created with the Add New Activity button in the Main tab drop-down from the dashboard or from any record directly in the Activities block on the right or at the bottom on mobile. The activities type can be set to viewings and photo shoots of listings or communication with contacts, meeting, phone call, email, message, or a reminder to contact. Each activity must also have a start and end time. You can also set an objective for each activity and add in any comments, like feedback after a phone call or meeting. You can also add other attendees, which will include these contacts or users into the activity, and then you can send them a calendar invite to the email addresses. Adding in all of your activities is a very useful way of tracking your to-do list. Noting down how many listings you have shown any client and how many times you have shown a listing, and keeping a record for later recall.